Dear students, these are the extra questions of lesson 5 which you have to write and revise. First question, as you can see, is describe the method to obtain salt from seawater. We can get the salt from the seawater by the process of evaporation. As we know, when we are putting the seawater in shallow pits, after some time, within a few days, the water will evaporate and the salt will remain behind. So in this way you can get the salt from the seawater after evaporation of water. But the salt which we get from these pits, that is impure. So firstly it is purified and then we use it as salt. Second question is, how will you separate oil and water from their mixture? We know when we mix oil and water, these are the immiscible liquids. They do not mix with each other and form separate layers. We will see that when we are mixing oil and water, oil will form a layer over water. Then we can use the process of decantation, in which the upper layer of oil we can remove in another container. And if we are having the separating funnel, we can also use the separating funnel. In separating funnel we will see that when we put this mixture of oil and water, it will form two separate different layers, and after that we will open the tap from the below and we will see that water will come down and the oil will remain in the separating funnel. So in short we can say we can separate the mixture of oil and water with the help of separating funnel and by the method of decantation. Next question is, how will you separate a mixture of sand and salt? To separate the mixture of sand and salt, we can't use only a single method. We have to use different methods. Like firstly what we will do, we will dissolve sand and water in water. After some time we will see that salt will dissolve in water, because salt is a soluble substance, whereas sand will remain behind. Now we will keep this water undisturbed for some time. We will see that the sand will settle down due to sedimentation process and the salt will come in upper layer with water. Now we can remove this salty water into another container by the process of decantation. After that, if still the salty water is containing fine particles of sand, that can be filtered with the help of a filter paper, so that we can get a clean salty water. After filtration the filtrate is clean and we are getting a clean salty water. Now we will use the process of evaporation. After evaporation, all the water from the salty water will evaporate and the salt will remain behind, and the sand which we have already left in another container, that can be dried. So in this way we can separate the mixture of salt and sand by using different methods like sedimentation, decantation, filtration and evaporation. Here we have to use many methods. Thank you.